Welcome back to our channel, your daily source for quality product insights. Today, we've got an exciting exploration for you, the best infrared thermometers. If you're in the market for accurate temperature readings, you're in the right place. Our channel is committed to bringing you the most comprehensive reviews and recommendations on various products. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and stay connected for more valuable content. Let's get started. Number 1. Etexity 774 Infrared Thermometer Gun. The Etexity 774 Infrared Thermometer Gun is our pick for the best overall infrared thermometer gun, and it's also the best budget choice. The price is almost unbelievable, considering how much value the infrared thermometer gun provides. With a temperature range from -58 degrees to 842 degrees, along with non-contact measuring, you can stay a safe distance from hot areas. This makes it ideal to use in the kitchen or when grilling outdoors. Other use scenarios include checking the surface temperature of your vehicle's engine, checking your HVAC surface to ensure it's working properly, and measuring fluid temperatures. In addition, the adjustable emissivity mode allows the device to measure the temperature on various surfaces, including steel, water, oil, ice, iron, and plastic. The infrared thermometer has a high accuracy rate and a max temperature measurement to gauge the temp in a larger area. Number 2. Fluke 62 Max Infrared Thermometer. For industrial use, the fact that the Fluke 62 Max Infrared Thermometer is a non-contact device is particularly important. When working in hazardous locations or performing predictive maintenance, you want to be far enough away that you're in no danger when trying to gauge the temperature. In other scenarios, it could just be inconvenient to get so close, such as when you're diagnosing HVAC duct leaks, insulation, or blower motors, as well as mechanical readings for gears, shaft alignment, bearings, and hydraulics, or electrical panels, wiring and cables, etc. Adjustable emissivity allows the infrared thermometer to provide accuracy when reading a range of materials. The large display is backlit for easy viewing in dark environments, and the durable device has an IP54 dust and water resistance rating, and has also been tested safe at a 9-foot drop. Number 3. ThermoPro TP450 Dual Laser Temperature Gun. The ThermoPro TP450 Dual Laser Temperature Gun has, as its name states, dual lasers, and this helps it deliver the most accurate results. In fact, it's accurate up to ±1.5%. The infrared thermometer also has a temperature range of -58 degrees to 1022 degrees, and the latter is the highest temperature on our list. The 16:1 distance to spot size ratio is also the furthest distance on our list, allowing you to stand a considerable distance away and still obtain an accurate reading. Also, the half-a-second response time is among the fastest on our list. With a max per minute/average temperature, it's easy to get a complete picture of the temperature in a given area. The device uses an LCD display with large numbers and a colorful background. The infrared thermometer is versatile enough to gauge the temperature in a grill, pizza oven, HVAC, swimming pool, vehicle, and many other scenarios. Number 4. Withings ThermoSmart Temporal Thermometer. The Withings ThermoSmart Temporal Thermometer is a safe, easy, and hygienic way to take the temperatures of every member of your family. You can get a contactless scan from babies, infants, kids, teens, and adults by holding the infrared thermometer 0.5 inches from the forehead. This non-invasive process eliminates the need to stick devices in ears, mouths, and other body cavities, and the 16 infrared sensors provide quick and accurate results. In addition, the LED indicator is color-coded based on whether the reading indicates the temperature is normal, elevated, or high. The infrared thermometer can also be synced via Wi-Fi with your smartphone or tablet. After syncing, you can view historical data, for example, the temperature 2 hours ago, 5 hours ago, yesterday, etc., for up to 8 users. There's also room for notes in the app, so you can also list the symptoms in the app, as well as which meds were administered on which date and at what time. This provides a helpful record that can be shared with doctors and other caregivers. Number 5. Ooni Infrared Thermometer Gun. Ooni is known for great pizza ovens, so it's no surprise that the company also makes a great infrared thermometer. For starters, the Ooni infrared thermometer gun has a ridiculously wide temperature reading range of -22 degrees to 999 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's accurate to 2% or 4 degrees Fahrenheit. This level of accuracy, combined with the ability to provide maximum, minimum, and average temperatures, lets you know the precise time to launch your pizza into the oven. The non-contact uni-infrared thermometer is specifically designed for cordierite pizza stones. However, since it uses an advanced emissivity setting, the infrared thermometer can also be adjusted to more accurately read temperatures on steel, cast iron, and other types of materials and finishes. The backlit LCD screen can easily be read, whether in direct sunlight or low light settings. There's also a helpful color temperature ring on the screen, which indicates the recommended baking temperature range.